Hello there. Let's look into the national portion of the real estate exam. My question to you, do you know how many sections there are? Probably not. The national portion. There's 8 sections. 8 sections, meaning all of that material that you went over, there's divided in 8 different categories. So what does that mean, Capri? That means first section, it's covering real property characteristics, legal descriptions, property use. You need to know everything in and out when it comes to that section. Is that true? No. You can find out exactly what information will be on there and exactly how many questions will be on there from that section. How? By signing up with the Trevelyan Exam Prep. Look at section 2, forms of ownership, transfer recording of titles. You need to know all of that information. You still won't be able to look for the needle in a haystack if you were signed up for my class. Section 3, property value appraisals. You need to know everything about the property value appraisals. Make sure you go back and study this information. Section 4, real estate contracts and an agency. Section 5, real estate practices. That can mean a lot. How do you know exactly what that's going to mean? Section 6, property disclosures, environmental issues. I never did like this section for environmental issues with the EPAs and things of that nature. Section 7, financing settlements, which is usually the most difficult part. The second most difficult part will be the real estate math. So those are your 8 sections that you need to know for the national for the national portion of the real estate exam prep for the state of Texas. Are you ready? Do you know exactly what information out of all that will be on there? Again, you're going to be looking for the needle in the haystack. We mentioned a lot. We mentioned 8 different sections. For example, property use. What about property use? You need to go back into those books and study, or sign up for the real estate exam prep, and I will teach you exactly what information will be on there, what content you need to study when it comes to each section. I'm going to find that needle in the haystack and tell you exactly what you need to do and tell you how many questions will be on each section.